Hello. We're here at Eagle Island. No. Lake Lowell. Take a journey through history. You are invited to take a journey through history along a 1.2-mile Centennial Trail. Along the trail, you will discover the challenge of surviving in the dry, dusty desert of southwest Idaho, the difficulty of constructing Lake Lowell to bring irrigation water to the fertile land nearby, the tremendous influence of the lake on the people and wildlife, and how citizens and partners have worked together to make sure Lake Lowell continues as an oasis for people and wildlife in its second century. So, we'll go on down the trail here. Wait a minute. That's the dirt trail. We'll go down the paved trail here. It's like some kind of animal walked across this just after they build it there, or build it after they put the cement on. There, he came right back up after that. Persistent little guy, wasn't he? Before the reservoir. Imagine traveling through this area in the mid-1800s. You would have seen a very different landscape than you see today. As part of the Great Basin Desert, this area receives only about 10 inches of rain each year. What is now Lake Lowell would have been covered with sagebrush, rabbit brush, and native bunch grasses. Plants well adapted to survive with little water. These plants provided home to wildlife ranging from the spadefoot toads to burrowing owls, beetles and badgers, and butterflies to sparrows. A few springs nourished lush grasses that attracted wintering deer, elk, and gave Deer Flat its name. And they have a few birds on the thing there. Nice little bench here to sit down on. See, that's what Lake Lowell would look like if they didn't make a Lake Lowell wildlife refuge and irrigation. Here's that little pesky wildlife again, or a bunch of them. They put down this nice pathway, and all the animals decided they had to get across. While it was still drying. wonder if I'm eating deer tracks or something. Oh, here's another one. Well, yes, this little guy really made a mess here. Yeah, fish came up here. How the heck did that happen? These had to be planted by some reservation people. Alright, a lot of dam work. Creating a lake in the Deer Flat Basin was an enormous undertaking. Unlike most reservoirs built by damming a river, Deer Flat Reservoir was built in a basin with no natural rivers. Crews expanded or built 40 miles of canal to bring water from the Boise River. To contain the water, they built 4 earthen dams, more than 3 miles in total length. Imagine using only steam shovels, train cars, and horse teams to move 4 million cubic yards of gravel, dirt, and lava rock. That much material piled on a football field would be more than a quarter-mile high, more than 3 times taller than the Space Needle in Seattle. So with that, I guess we're out in this video.